Can't tell. A what?
Is that a Jiffy, a Portalet? No, it's a cool box.
How about the shelter? Dude, it's not going in. Focus. Zooming.
Oh, there's his dock. That's a new dock that came down. Sweet. Or it broke in half. That's what happened to it.
Here we are at the homestead, Kelly. Tell Sean he's damn sure got friends in South Georgia. Don't know about them Atlanta boys.